your best-selling DTG designs can become even more profitable. All you need to do is adjust them for embroidery. The demand for high-quality embroidered products is on the rise. Shoppers value craftsmanship and attention to detail in apparel more than ever. The truth is, when you have top-selling products with DTG designs that people adore, it becomes a lot easier to create embroidered versions since the demand is already there. On top of that, it's a great opportunity to increase your shopper's average cart value by having a themed product collection in your store. Here's a great example from the Philosopher's shirt. Just look at that product variety with Occam's razor design. Don't you just want to have them all? So let's step up your game. The first thing you need to do is review our file guidelines for standard or unlimited color embroidery. You can find them in Printful's product catalog, as well as on a dedicated page. Our guides will help you understand which of your DTG designs can be adjusted for embroidery and what product type they will look best on. Here's an example of a complex print design with many elements. Instead of adjusting everything for embroidery, we used certain objects from the original artwork to create a product collection with a unified visual identity. Let's say your customers demand the best of both worlds on the same product. You can add a limited drop to your store of a shirt with a DTG print on the back and stylized embroidery on the left chest. Once you've gone over the basics, head over to the Printful product catalog, find the perfect shirt, and under File Guidelines, download the file template for left chest embroidery. It's up to you to decide what software to use. Vector programs like Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, or Affinity Designer are the best since they allow you to create a design that can be adjusted for different placements and sizes without any quality loss. I'll open the guide in Illustrator and add my original artwork, where all the details are neatly placed on separate layers. Now all I need to do is simplify the design. I'll delete the layers with all small and intricate details below the width of 0.05 inches. To get a good idea of which elements need to go, I'll use the measure tool. As you can see, the black line work is below the required thickness. I'd love to keep it, but it won't come out as intended. So to make the hands in the design look recognizable, I'll slice up the outline into small parts and set their color to match the shapes they touch. Now that all the general changes are complete, all that's left to do is check if my colors match the available thread colors for standard embroidery. The color codes are in the PDF file that comes with the file template and in the file guides as well. When you need to recolor multiple objects, select the one with the color you want to change, then head over to Select, Same, Fill Color, and then change the fill color here. All that remains is to export the design as PNG with a transparent background, place it on the t-shirt, and order the product. If you don't have your original project file and the only thing available is the PNG export, there's a way to make it work. You can use the image trace in Illustrator or the trace bitmap feature in Inkscape. This option will convert your image into a vector file and separate design elements into individual shape layers, which you can edit to match the embroidery guidelines. We also have a quick tutorial on how image trace works on our channel, so make sure to check it out. Now, if you have DTG designs that use simple shapes or text, you can always rely on our design maker. We have a vast selection of embroidery-ready fonts and clip art, so it can always be your go-to tool for creating stunning embroidered products. And there you have it. With a little effort and the right tools, you can elevate your existing designs to increase your product offering to keep your customers returning for more. Remember that craftsmanship and attention to detail are more valued than ever in today's market, so meeting your customers' demands head-on is crucial. If you have a faster way to turn your DTG prints into embroidery, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and our viewers would too. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.